Are you looking to archive a carousel you've shared from your activity on Instagram on your PC? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to easily archive your carousels. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon or the three dots. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent activity on Instagram, including the carousels you've shared. Scroll down to the Photos and Videos section, and then to the Reels section. Here, you'll see the carousels you've shared. Click on Select to choose the carousel you want to archive. Once you've selected the carousel, click on Archive and confirm the step. This will move the carousel to your archived items, where you can access it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully archived a carousel you've shared from your activity on Instagram on your PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.